Hello friends, in this lesson we will learn about the conjunctions in the Kashmiri language. Let's get started. Agar, if, amikin, hence, ke, that, balke, but, beye, and, magar, but, या और किन और अगरचे even if ama but kate from what place खत और कैजिकी then na neither nat else nish than totamat as far as vini immediately vinye yet yele when Yemepata after this Yoduvai although Yutam despite the fact Yotamat during that time Zi that Zi is generally used to introduce a clause of purpose in our speech. Let's do a quick recap of all the words. All you have to do is speak quickly after I say these words. Agar, amikin, ke, balke, beye, magar, ya, kinye, agarche, ama, kate, खत कैजिकी न नत निश तोतामत विनी विन्ये येले येमिपत योद्वय योताम योतामत जे